How to upgrade character in Headball 2. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. If you're figuring out a way to make your character stronger and faster on Headball 2, then you can easily upgrade them. First of all, launch open the Headball 2 game on your device, and from your home section or the lobby screen, tap on the character button from the bottom center. You'll then be able to see this page from where you can upgrade your character. Tap on the characters from the bottom to select them and then tap on the plus button at the top and select a pack available in order to upgrade your character. It'll take gold coins or character cards for upgrade. Make sure you have enough of both before proceeding. Tap on the character cards from the bottom and click on the green button in the next page to spend the gold coins and the pack. And right after you do that, after using it, you'll be able to upgrade your character. If you don't have enough golds, you can also buy the missing golds with diamonds. And then you will be able to see this upgrade button available inside the character page. Tap on upgrade once you see this and then click on the upgrade button to confirm the upgrade. Now there you have successfully upgraded your character in Headball 2. If the requirements are met, then you will be able to power up, speed up your character right away. Now you can keep collecting rewards, play matches, complete missions, and open packs to gather more coins and cards for future upgrades. Focus on upgrading your most used character first. It helps you win more consistently instead of spreading resources too thin. So that's how you upgrade your character in Headball 2. Even if you're just starting out, keep playing, keep upgrading, and you'll notice your gameplay getting stronger in no time. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.